If you're using an HDFC Forex card for your international travel or online foreign transactions, accessing your card online is, well, pretty crucial for checking balances, reloading funds, or tracking transactions. The HDFC Bank Forex card login process is simple, but yeah, many users still find it confusing. Here's a complete guide to help you securely log into your Forex card account without any hassle. What is HDFC Forex card? An HDFC Forex card is a prepaid foreign currency card issued by HDFC Bank, widely used for travel abroad. It allows you to carry multiple currencies and make payments in the local currency of your destination without currency conversion charges. How to do HDFC Forex card login? To access your card online, follow these steps. Alright, so first things first, visit the official website. Just head over to the HDFC Bank Forex card portal by going to https://prepaidcards.hdfcbank.com. Next up, click on Login. On the home page, you'll spot the Login button right at the top right corner. Just click on it to continue. Now choose your card type. Go ahead and select the one that fits, like the Multi-Currency Platinum Forex Plus card or the Regalia Forex Plus card. Alright, now enter your card details. Just use your 16-digit Forex card number along with your 4-digit ATM PIN to log in. Oh, and if this is your first time, make sure your card is activated, okay? Alright, so once you're logged in, you can easily access your dashboard. From there, you'll be able to check your card balance, view your transaction history, load currency, and yeah, manage your settings too. Now here are some really important tips. Always, and I mean always, use the official HDFC link to log in. This helps you avoid phishing scams. Never share your PIN or login credentials with anyone, no matter what. And hey, if your card is lost or gets blocked, don't wait. Just call HDFC customer care right away at 1800-226,161. For more info, you can visit the link given in the description box. You'll find everything there: card features, FAQs, customer support, the whole deal. So yeah, to stay in control of your international spending, just make it a habit to log in regularly and keep an eye on your card activity.